Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting at the app switcher. That's where Open Pages live. Swipe up from the bottom and pause, or double press the home button if your iPhone has one. Once the app cards appear, make sure you identify the Safari or app page you want closed. Visual thumbnails show the active content. If cards are grouped or stacked, tap to expand a stack so you can see each page. Now position your finger on the specific card you'll dismiss next. Swipe a card up and off the screen to close that page. That single gesture removes the tab or app instance immediately. For speed, use 2 or 3 fingers to flick multiple adjacent cards upward in a single motion, which closes several pages at once. If pages are grouped into stacks or on iPad, tap the stack to expand contents, then swipe individual cards upward. Once done, glance through the remaining thumbnails to confirm. Finish by pressing Home, tapping the background, or swiping up to return to your home screen. That confirms the pages are closed. If a page keeps reappearing, force quit the app and relaunch it, or restart the iPhone to clear stuck processes. For Safari specifically, close all tabs in the tab view or clear browsing data to prevent automatic reloads. If problems persist, check for iOS updates that fix multitasking bugs, and make sure background refresh settings aren't reloading pages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.